Was once a luxury home, now abandoned, broken, and forgotten, left to decay under years of dust, silence, and neglect, where every corner tells a story of time taking its toll, until one day, that silence is finally interrupted, as a team steps in, not to replace what was lost, but to restore it with precision and care, beginning with the slow removal of debris, lifting broken wood, clearing shattered glass, uncovering the structure hidden beneath layers of damage. As dirt is washed away and surfaces begin to reappear, walls are opened, exposing the truth behind the decay, allowing the home to be stripped back to its core, where only what can be rebuilt remains. And from that point, the transformation begins, carefully and methodically, with new structural strength replacing what was once weak. Beams installed, foundations reinforced, as the house slowly starts to take shape again, walls rising, spaces returning, and systems coming back to life. Wiring restored, functionality rebuilt from the inside out, surfaces refined, imperfections smoothed away, and with each step forward, the identity of the home begins to return. The floors regain their shine, reflecting the progress made. Color brings warmth back into the space, replacing cold decay with modern elegance. The staircase is rebuilt, standing once again as a central feature. Light floods the interior through newly installed glass, opening the home to its surroundings. And as the final details come together, furniture placed, surfaces polished, every element aligned, the transformation is complete, turning what was once abandoned into something truly extraordinary, a space brought back to life through time, effort, and craftsmanship.